Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Doremi character from Doremi and Dalimi in Avatar World. So you can start by choosing the body type. So here I'm going to use a kid's body, and here I'm going to change the skin tone to this colors right here. I think this one. And now you can also change the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to use this one's right here, and change the eye color to dark brown like this. And then let's move on to the eyebrow. I'm going to also add an eyebrows in here, this one. Let's try another one. Okay, this one in here, also in dark brown color. I think a little bit red. Okay, this color in here, I think. And now let's move on to the mouth. So for the mouth, I'm going to use a smiley mouth, this one here. And let's move on. For the blush, I'm going to add some blush in here. Let's find a little bit peach, if there's any. Okay, I'm going to just go with this one. Let's move on to the hair. So for the hair, in here I'm going to find, let's try this one. Okay, this one for the top, for the back of the hair. Let's try another one in here. I'll just use this one. I cannot find the exact, so let's just go with that one here. Let's find some other accessory. I'm going to use the accessory for the hair. And I'm going to just use this one. Now for the outfit, I'm going to use the top, this top right here. Let's try if you can find another one. Okay, I'm going to just go with this one. I cannot change the color, unfortunately. Let's try, okay, this one right here, I think, because Doremi has a striped shirt but with blue color. So I just use this one, and let's move on to the bottom. I'm going to use a skirt in here. Let's try to find the one that we can change its color. I think this one is pretty accurate, so let's just use this pink skirt. And I'm going to use another one. Oops, it's just the previous one. Let's just move on to the shoe. So if you cannot find a shoe in here, you can also explore on the other room, but I'm going to just go with this being shoe. So this is how you can create a Doremi Dalimi from Doremi and Dalimi in Avatar World. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.